Today we're making stir-fried vegetables, perfect to place on your holiday tables. Let's get into the recipe. Alright, let's start by sauteing some aromatics. I added some onions, bell peppers, garlic, ginger. Give that a good stir and allow to go for about 2 minutes or so, after which we will come in with our vegetables. I am using broccoli, carrots, bora, better known as long bean, some cabbage. If you don't have long bean, you can use green beans. I did add some seasoning for flavor and taste. Give that a good toss, and then we will just allow it to go for about 5 minutes or so, stirring occasionally. Like I said, occasionally you want to go in and just give it a stir just to make sure everything is being cooked evenly. You don't want to overcook it. So after 5 minutes, this is now done. I will add a little butter, give it a good toss, and that's basically it. This is how I make my delicious stir-fried vegetables. This is a delicious vegetable medley you can serve on your holiday tables. It is quick and easy, not complicated at all, so go ahead and give it a try. Here you have it, my version of stir-fried vegetables. And as always, all the ingredients and the measurements will be listed down in the description or the caption. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.